country's economy may be on the knife edge of recession, but data shows that one sector seems to be enjoying a boom. That's home building. Property developers in Germany are pushing ahead with residential projects, and they say that sales are doing well amid a shortage of homes in the country's major cities. Here's CGTN's Bundhun reporting from Frankfurt.
This is Germany's tallest residential tower. It's 172 meters high with some 400 apartments, and it's almost sold out.
We have an interesting phenomena in the German market that the skyscrapers for real estate in the private housing area, so private flats, are rather new to inner city. There seems to be a very high demand, that's what we thought, and yes, there is the high demand.
Buoyant demand is encouraging developers to build more homes, analysts say.
We have a strong residential property market boom. It's strongly driven by urbanization trends. Big cities, agglomerations are booming, more and more influx and people coming to the cities, and strong influx results in strong demand for residential properties.
Data from Colliers reveals a shortage of homes in Germany. Almost 290,000 apartments were completed last year, but 400,000 were needed to meet demand. And developers are trying to close that gap. IHS Markit PMI figures show construction work in the country expanded at its fastest pace in 7 months in November because of house building. The residential property market is doing well despite the gloomy economic backdrop. Germany only narrowly avoided sliding into recession in the last quarter as its economy grew by just 0.1%. Belgian developer Immobile is powering ahead with its first project in Germany. Work has only recently got off the ground on the Eden Tower in Frankfurt, but there's keen interest from home buyers.
So far to date, so a few months later, we have already sold about 50 flats. And we have further interest from other buyers as well. Around 30 reservations have already been signed.
It's not only towers that are reaching new heights though. Home prices are also on the rise, with apartments in buildings like this costing up to several million euros. Bundhun, CGTN, Frankfurt.